Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be updating you on how to install your first locks in 2021, the easiest way, the natural way to install your first locks. Because the first locks is an individual first locks, so what you need to do first is to braid your client's hair. Braid it individually, just like I am doing right now. And make sure while you're braiding it that it's not too tight at the bottom. When you're done braiding it, you put the pin underneath your client's braid. Then you hook the crochet to it and bring it out. And then you put the pin, you use the pin to hook the ends of the dreads. And then add your client's hair to it, because you're bringing both the dread and your client's hair out of that hook. So you're knotting the both of them together. Yeah, so you could see that even at the bottom it's still looking loose. So all you need to do now is to put the crochet into the thread, the crochet pin into the locks, and hook your client's natural hair into the crochet pin and lock it, then drag it out. Then this is what we're actually looking at. You can see how it looks. So what we're doing next is to use the Kinky extension to hide the client's hair from the base to where the client's natural hair actually ends. And when you're buying your Kinky extension, please try to buy Kinky extension that the texture is close to the locks that you are actually using, because when I was done with these locks, you won't even notice that I actually use the Kinky extension on it. It just looks like it just looks like same extension. So if you try to get something that is close to the locks that you're using, it will look very good. So at this point, you can actually lock the ends of the locks the way you actually wanted. That's the reason why I said you shouldn't like braid your client's hair, natural hair, too tight, because this is the right time. You can do it anyhow you want to do it. If you want it to be tight, if you want it to be loose, this is when you can actually do that. I know a lot of people will be dropping comments asking, you're filming and your client is eating. Please, you push, you let her eat. She actually asked me if she can eat while I'm filming, and I said yes. So guys, you push your pardon her. I said I should say it because I know that I'm going to get a comment saying your client is eating. Why is your client eating? So guys, you push your pardon her. She asked me if she can eat and I said yes. So at this time, the Kinky extension is not enough to get to the ends of the client's natural hair. So I had to take another Kinky extension. So if you run out of extension while you're trying to twist it down, don't be scared. All you need to do is just to add an extension. Make sure you go back and front. When you go down, you come up, it just knot it. so that it doesn't unravel while the client still have the locks on. So all you need to do after doing that is to use your hand to wrap it. When you're wrapping it with your both hands, it's just as if you're knotting it. It's just as if you're knotting it. It won't unravel. I really love applying mousse on my Faux Locs. Whenever I make Faux Locs for clients, for myself, I always put mousse on it because it just gives it that weak look. It makes the base of the locks look weak. Yes, so I really like it so much because it just gives it that natural look. That's the reason why I always love to put mousse on my Faux Locs. So guys, if you think you don't like the idea of putting mousse on locks, you can skip that part, but I love it a lot. So let me give you guys a little gist about why we are actually packing the Faux Locs upwards. While we're doing this tutorial, my client went to Instagram and saw a lady carried exactly this 30-inch Faux Locs. I don't know if ours is up to 30-inch anyways, but she just wrap it upwards and it looked very beautiful. So my client said, you know what, let's give it a try. And I really love it that we actually pack it upwards, and it will be easier for her to work with because of the kind of job so it will be easier for her to work with. And like I said, we wanted to use 6-pack of the locks, but we end up using not up to 5. And the good thing about these locks is that it feels so light. It doesn't even look as if we actually use 4 packs on the more than 4 packs on the Faux Locs. It feels very light, and the locks feels looks dry. So when you want to have that kind of a natural locks look, your locks has to be dry. So that is the vibe that these locks actually gave. It came out really beautiful, guys. So this is how you install your locks in 2021. You want to install Faux Locs, right? Please give this a try. It's very quick, it looks natural, and it's very easy to understand how to do. Very simple. You want to make it on your own hair, it's easy. You want to make it on client's hair, it's easy. So give this a try. My 2021 update on how to install a Faux Locs, and let me know what you guys think about it. Please, I would love to see your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, please don't hesitate to drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.